Electric kick scooters are equipped with a variety of tires. Pneumatic tires are often used because they provide a better ride, especially on uneven terrain. Since they are air-filled either with or without a tube, they can get punctured from debris and objects. So, they have to be fixed or replaced, depending on the severity of the tire damage. You can repair many tire flats yourself, with a little know-how and the proper tools. This video shows you how to fix a flat tire on an e-scooter. The techniques used in this video can be used across a variety of e-scooter models. For this video, we are repairing a tubed tire. Tools you will need: a wrench to loosen the two tire bolts, a valve tool to deflate the tire tube, an air gauge to check the air pressure, and an air pump to inflate the tire tube once fixed. Also, an air extension nozzle, convenient to attach to the valve, making it easier to pump air into the tire. And lastly, a lever tool to separate the tire from the rim so we can get to the tube. The Allen key might also come in handy. First, remove the tire. Then deflate the tire somewhat by pressing on the air valve. Remove tire from the rim. Slowly remove the tube. If you know where the tube puncture is, clean the area before applying the patch. You can use an adhesive-type patch or a patch that requires glue. The glue type usually lasts longer, but for small punctures either will do a good job. If you can't locate the tube puncture, try dunking your tube into soapy water and look for bubbles. Dry the tube before applying the patch. Once you apply the patch, let the tube rest for 5 minutes, then red the tube to the tire, being careful around the valve stem. Then add the tire to the rim. Make sure the tube does not get caught at the tire rim. Add the recommended air pressure. Once you red the tire to your e-scooter, you're ready to go. Do check tire pressure often. Under or over-inflated tires can cause unnecessary wear and limit the life of the tire. If you get a lot of flats, consider using a tire sealant. Tire sealant works by encasing your entire tubeless tire with a foamy-like gel. This protects the tire from punctures. You can add this at any time, you don't have to wait until you get a flat tire. Another way to prevent flats is to buy a honeycomb tire. These provide a somewhat better ride than a solid rubber tire, because they have a pocket-like structure, which allows them to be somewhat flexible. They are puncture-proof. If you prefer the softer ride that air-filled tires provide, you can also use a heavy-duty tire tube, which may provide better protection from certain types of debris and objects. Another interesting idea is to use an air-filled tire for front tire, and a honeycomb or solid tire as the back tire. This would give you best traction and control where it is needed, while at the same time reducing your chances of getting flats. Flat tire tips: have tools handy and patches, take photos, bolts, screws, rim, tube, make note of the direction of the arrows on the tire. Disconnect brake and motor cables before removing tire. Use Allen key at tire side reflectors to dismantle.